Monday is the start of National Gardening Week. It's the country's biggest gardening celebration.
And we want everyone, everywhere, to get involved this year.
Because it's proven that plants and gardening have a positive effect on our mental health and happiness.
They uplift us, they heal us, and they also bring us closer to nature.
They attract life and offer hope, and we could all do with a little bit more of that right now.
And if you don't have a garden, don't worry. There's so much online that will help you grow your knowledge and skills.
The RHS and its supporters will be posting regular videos and photos throughout the week with advice and inspiration on how to garden both indoors and out.
You'll discover what to grow, how to grow it, when to grow it, what you should be doing right now, and you'll find out where to order plants, seeds and products.
And it doesn't matter how much space you have, there will be something for everyone.
So keep an eye on all RHS social media channels.
Please help us to get the nation gardening by sharing how you experience the joy of plants.
By posting your own images and videos from your garden on Twitter, Instagram or Facebook, or all three, using the hashtag on the screen right now.
Although we can't get out and garden together this year, we can still enjoy and share the immense benefits of plants.
So please spread the word and join me, the RHS, and many others across the UK
as we celebrate gardening, the ultimate mood boosting exercise.
So let's get gardening.
Let's all keep gardening.
Let's all keep gardening.
Let's all keep gardening and grow at home.